Question number 1. The image above is a representation of a set of objects that are. Good job. Your answer firm works well here. Question number 2 is a curve that shows the mapping of input data points into their membership values, which has an interval between 0 to 1. You got it? Your choice membership functions is right. Question number 3. The crossover points of a membership function are defined as the elements in the universe for which a particular fuzzy set has values equal to. You chose 0.5 and it is correct. Question number 4. Dash are algorithms that learn from their more complex environments to generalize, approximate, and simplify solution logic. Correct response. Fuzzy set is the most accurate answer. Question number 5. The numbers 1 and 0.5 in the figure state. Excellent. Degree of membership is a brilliant choice. Question number 6. All values that are allowed to be operated on in a fuzzy variable and are a set of real numbers that always increase. Well done. Universe of conversations is the right choice. Question number 7. The height h of a fuzzy set A is defined as h equal to sub A where x belongs to A. Then the fuzzy set A is called normal when. Correct. H equal to 1 is the right answer. Question number 8. The classroom temperature is humid. Here the humid can be represented by dash. Sharp thinking. Fuzzy set is the right choice. Question number 9. There are also other operators, more linguistic in nature, called dash that can be applied to fuzzy set theory. Well reasoned. Hedges is the correct choice. Question number 10 is something that is discussed in the context of a fuzzy system such as age, temperature, demand, and others. Exactly. Variable fuzzy makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 11. Controlling the height of spacecraft and satellites is a form of fuzzy application in the field of dash. On track. Aerospace aerodynamica is the correct answer. Question number 12. Microwave and vacuum cleaner settings are a form of fuzzy application in the field of dash. Right again. Electronic is a valid answer. Question number 13. Fuzzy set theory defines fuzzy operators. Choose the fuzzy operators from the following. Perfect. All of the mentioned is the correct choice. Question number 14. The region of universe that is characterized by complete membership in the set is called. Bravo. Core is the answer. Question number 15. One of the reasons fuzzy logic is widely applied in electronic goods made in Japan. Right choice. Saves more electricity is the best answer. Question number 16. The truth values of traditional set theory is dash, and that of fuzzy set is dash. Solid response. Either 0 or 1 between 0 and 1 is a valid choice. Question number 17. What is one area where fuzzy logic is still under development and testing? Clear logic. Your choice, autopilots for safety critical systems, is sound and 100% true. Question number 18. Fuzzy logic is an extension of crisp set with the concept of partial truth. Great thinking. True is the right choice. Question number 19. A collection of rules based on fuzzy logic to state a condition is called. Nice work. You chose rule base and it is correct. Question number 20 is a collection of objects X with each object having a membership value. Valid point. Fuzzy collections is true. Question number 21. How many main parts are there in fuzzy logic systems architecture? Well picked. 4 is the correct answer. Question number 22. Evaluation of fuzzy rules to produce output is called dash. Strong choice. Rule base is the right answer. Question number 23. How is fuzzy logic different from conventional control methods? Nicely done. If and then approach is a solid answer. Question number 24. Fuzzy logic is generally used for 3 sector sections, except. You're right. Calculation is the correct answer. Question number 25. Everything can be expressed in binary terms, so-called. Nice selection. Crisp logic is the correct and valid answer. Question number 26. Fuzzy sets have membership values between dash to dash. Smart move. 0 to 1 is an accurate answer. Question number 27. The inventor of the concept of fuzzy logic comes from. Smart pick. Asia is the correct choice. Question number 28. What is a benefit of using fuzzy logic controllers? Excellent choice. They can account for more variability in the system. Is the right answer. Question number 29. Fuzzy logic provides space and tolerance for dash. Good thinking. Uncertainty is the right answer. Question number 30. Dash is are the ways to represent uncertainty. Great job. D, all of the mentioned, is the accurate answer. Question number 31. What is the fuzzy approximation theorem? Nice work. You chose a fuzzy system can model any continuous system, and it is correct. Question number 32. Which of the following statements is correct? On track. Fuzzy relates to uncertainty is the correct answer. Question number 33. What can fuzzy logic controllers determine? Well reasoned. Linguistic rules for controller behavior is the correct choice. Question number 34. Traditional numerical modeling adopted in. Right choice. Hard computing is the best answer. Question number 35. Fuzzy logic is usually represented as dash. Strong choice. If then rules is the right answer. Question number 36. Who was the inventor of fuzzy logic? Smart pick. S. Lotfi-Zeder is the correct choice. Question number 37. Fuzzy logic can be implemented in. Sharp thinking. Both A and B is the right choice. Question number 38. Who is the founder of fuzzy logic? Solid response. Lotfi-Zeder is a valid choice. Question number 39. What is meant by fuzzy concept? Valid point. Samar is true. Question number 40. Fuzzy logic was introduced by. You got it. Your choice Lotfi-Zeder is right. Question number 41. Fuzzy logic is a form of. Excellent choice. Many-valued logic is the right answer. Question number 42. Fuzzy set does not obey. You chose excluded middle and contradiction axioms, and it is correct. Question number 43. What is fuzzy logic? Correct. A method of reasoning that resembles human reasoning is the right answer. Question number 44. Fuzzy logic is dash. Perfect. Logic without fuzziness is the correct choice. Question number 45. Fuzzy logic is. Well done. Used to respond to questions in a human-like way is the right choice. Question number 46. Which is true? Good job. Your answer fuzzy deals with uncertainty works well here. Question number 47. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Nice selection. Contact Narayan Changder is the correct and valid answer.